Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ifeani and I'm your big sis if you allow me to be. Today we are talking about why your manifestations aren't working. I want to do a little bit of myth busting that nobody really talks about and why it may be difficult for your manifestations to come in. Now, the first thing I want you to understand is there's so many different laws that we can learn about the universe, right? We have the law of assumption, we have the law of one, we have the law of attraction, the law of reciprocity, the law of duality. Like, there's so many different laws that we can name when we think about the laws of the universe. And all of this may have to do with your manifestations, right? But one thing that I want you to realize is that you are everything. You are a part of everything. You're a part of all that exists. And you, in your purest and truest essence, are love and are a part of all creation. And people often talk about the law of assumption when they talk about manifestation and also the law of attraction. But for this video, we're going to talk more about the law of assumption. And the law of assumption is something that Neville Goddard really talked about a lot, which was assuming the state, assuming that you already are who you say you are, assuming that the manifestations that you desire are already yours, and acting and moving from that state of assumption. And what's really powerful about the law of assumption, it is just basically like assume the position, right? Like get in the position and get in the feeling and the identity of the person, of having the thing. And the reason why your assumptions may or may not be working, or may not be working rather, is because you are focusing more on the outside than you are on the inside. You're focusing more on that desire. You're focusing more on the item itself, or the person, or the job, or the lifestyle, and you are giving your power to it versus realizing that the power is actually you. And what do I mean by that? The power is literally in you. And manifestation is really powerful when you reflect on who you are internally. And it works when you decide internally who you are, because you are already aware of who you are. Your desires want you just as bad as you want them. But when you are still operating and assuming that those things maybe do not want you, or you don't deserve them, or you're not worthy of them, or it'll never happen, or they're just too big for you, you give more power away to that thing. And that is why the manifestations aren't coming in or working, or there's not quote unquote movement in your reality that you can see. From my personal experience, when things have come truly super quickly, it's me deciding internally, and it just feels different. It's like when you make a decision about something, you know the difference between when you make a decision and you feel it internally versus when you are like, I don't know, and maybe, and questioning, and you know, like you know what you want, but you don't really want to like claim what you want. Like you're like looking to the outside to determine if you actually want the thing, you know, because you're looking like, is it really possible? Like, say for instance, you want to move across the country, and instead of making the decision that you are moving across the country, you are looking like, well, if I have this particular amount of money in the bank, or this particular person moves with me, or this particular job calls me back, or this apartment is open, or this home is available, then I'll move. Or if I get this particular sign and I see 111 enough times, then maybe it's meant for me. That all comes from you giving your power away to the outside. When you internally decide, I'm moving across the country, your whole energy, your whole brain power, and the things that come into your life are going to align with you moving across the country, right? So if you're looking at the law of assumption and you're like, why isn't this working? It's because you have not made the decision that you are that person, or those things are happening for you, or you're creating a particular outcome or reality. It's not necessarily that you're doing something wrong, right? It's just you're giving your power away. You're not assuming and deciding that it is done, that you've made a decision, that you are moving. You've made a decision that you have enough money for X, Y, and Z. You've made a decision that the job is yours. You've made a decision that the person is yours, right? You haven't done that yet. And it's not necessarily that you, even once you do that and have that decision made, it's not to say that you won't have feelings of doubt or thoughts of, oh, is this going to really work? You can have feelings of doubt and thoughts that this won't really work, and it actually still works. But when you decide and you stay in that faith, and when you're talking to other people, you continue to keep the faith. When you're talking to yourself, you continue to keep the faith, even when you have those moments of doubt or fears or something that are coming up. You continue to push forward, and you continue to remain in that assumption and then in that identity. So if you are feeling right now that you're confused and you're like, I don't know what's wrong, think about, how are you giving your power away to the outside? The power is within. God is within. The kingdom of heaven is within. And when you really truly tap into that and realize who you actually are, the things around you and the reality around you starts to shift. And you start to see things differently, and things just start aligning for your manifestations to come in quicker and quicker and quicker. And I would even say challenge yourself to be specific, to be very clear and concise, and try harder and harder to just be more convicted in your decision and in your assumption. You are the laws. You are the creator. You are the creation. You are the writer. You are the story. You're all of it. And as soon as you remember that you are all of it, things will continue to flow more and more and more and more. And you just kind of get on the flow of life. You know, you get into the flow of life. And you allow things to flow. And you're not so rigid, because you're opening yourself up to the ways in which the universe wants to help you and bring the things that you're asking for in. But your certainty is what does it. Your conviction is what does it. And your decisions are what does it. And you moving as if it's already done is what does it. So if you're moving across the country, you're moving like it's already done. Even though you may not know how things are working out, you're not looking for the outside to tell you that you're moving. You're deciding you're moving, and then the outside conforms to match that decision. So I hope this video is very helpful to someone. If you're looking to do more of this work one-on-one, I offer one-on-one sessions. And if you are looking at this on the weekend of June 19th through the 21st, 2026, one-on-one sessions are on sale right now. So go ahead and tap that link in my description and you will be able to find that. And also, if you want to do this work in community, we're starting up the school community. I'm really excited about it's the Embodiment Lounge, and we'll be doing this work together as a community because you need like-minded individuals to do this manifestation work with. You cannot talk to everyone about this. So I really hope you guys join us there. And thank you guys so much for tuning in and being a part of my community. I will see you in the next video.